Before we begin, if you like the content of these videos, please like, share and comment on the video, subscribe to the channel and click on the notification icon. Hello traders, how was the day today? So we tried to break out of the 5338 to the 5340 area, but then we were successful in breaking out, but then we tried to do it twice and both the times we failed, and then there was a non-stop move to the downside, right? So let us take a look at how we were trading. So this is the bar one that we had, and if you look at this in the pre-market, we were having a kind of a triangle, and the triangle broke out on bar one. I actually bought the close of bar one, and then my ultimate target was to get to the 70 area, but the 70 area never came, and I came out of all my contracts below bar number 7. And after that, if you see, we had the first leg down, the second leg down, the third leg down, and we created a wedge. This was the first entry long, the second entry long. This bar was really strong. I went long above this bar at around 1040. But this wick on the next bar did not give me enough confidence. As soon as I saw the next bar being red and closing and it's low, I put a stop loss right here. And then when the next bar happened, I simply came out of the trade. I was not interested in the longs anymore at this point of time. And there were multiple wicks on the top, which was telling me that actually it may get a leg down, the 38 to 40 breakout, maybe a false breakout, and we may get down to the bottom again somewhere. This red box that you see was the Asia zone. The Asia zone was really strong yesterday, and that is why I marked this, with this being 5777, this area being the 50% of the Asia zone. I did not short till we got below the low of bar 1, and then I shorted below this bar. So once I shorted below this bar, I was actually looking for 20 points. My stop loss was somewhere here, and we did come out of our first contract at 1.3, and then I had a 5-point trailing stop loss, and this two-legged pullback actually ate into my runner. Now, if you see that we had the two-legged pullback here, this was the first entry short, we pulled back up again. This was the second entry short. I again shorted below this 5312. At this point, I was looking at this 513 EMA as well, and if you see, we went to the 13 EMA, got rejected down. Based on that, I just took a short here. I was still kind of hesitant because we had the 200 EMA right there and we did not break it down, but I took the short nevertheless. And then I was trying to get another 20 points, so we shorted at 1.3. We did come out at 5303. That was the first exit, and then I held on to my contract and I came out of that when this bar happened and we exited at the top of this bar. So that was the fourth trade that we had, and since we were in such a tight bearish channel, I did not want to go long. I was holding on to see if there is a two-legged pullback, and then we get a reversal again. Exactly that happened. This was the first leg, this was the second leg, and since we came down again from the 13 EMA, I shorted again below this 77.5 was my short. Here also I was a bit hesitant while I was shorting, so I did not short all the contracts together. I just started with a very small size and then I added on to the contracts. This was the midpoint of this whole Asia zone, so I was a little jittery to short right here, but then it worked out. We shorted at 7.7. Again, I was looking for 20 points down here because the bars were so strong, and then we finally came out of all our contracts around the 5250 area. Now, one more thing that you will notice is that on the daily chart, we have a mother bar here, right? So I will remove this fib for now, the fib based on Asia, and I will put the mother bar fib here. So this is the mother bar fib on the daily chart. Now, if I go back to the 5 minutes chart, we will see that we got stuck at the 32 area, right? And this was telling me this can actually work as a final flag. So I went long above this candle. I took some profit at this area. This was the area that I was targeting based on this micro gaps that we had. I took profit in this area. I was holding on to another contract, but when this candle could not close above, and it already being after 3 o'clock, I came out of the trade here, the long trade, and I just waited to see if we could get another bounce above this double top and go up. But this double top actually worked good on the bearish side. we moved sideways for some time, and finally we dumped below this 5233, which was the 50% of the mother bar, and we are closing somewhere close to 27. We don't know where we will close, right? There is still one more hour left for the market to finally close till 5 o'clock, so we'll have to see where we close. Those were the trades of the day. If you look at the daily chart right now, we tried to break out of this Friday's mother bar twice. We actually went deep into the 513 cloud into the daily and then dropped below the 5 EMA again and just kept coming down. So what we see here is we tried this the first time, we tried this the second time, so 2 times we failed to get above this mother bar. And maybe the bears will be strong enough tomorrow to take the market down to the bottom of the mother bar. So we will take a look at it when that time comes. So those are all the trades that we took today. I will come back again in the evening with the expectations for tomorrow, with the support and resistances that we have. And then as usual, we will meet again tomorrow morning at 8:45 a.m. EST to create the plans. So that is where I will end the video for now, and I'll see you guys very soon. Bye.